Hey there, gaming enthusiasts! Today, we're diving deep into the Gigabyte Aorus C300 glass ATX mid-tower PC case, a sleek powerhouse designed to elevate your gaming experience to new heights. Crafted with a full-size 4mm tempered glass side panel, this case doesn't just house your components, it showcases them in style. But it's not just about looks. With HDMI and USB 3.1 Gen 2 Type-C on the I/O panel, connectivity is a breeze, ensuring you're always ready to plug in and play. And let's talk about RGB Fusion 2.0. The ability to synchronize RGB lighting with other Aorus devices means you can create a mesmerizing light show that syncs perfectly with your gameplay. One standout feature is its support for both vertical and horizontal VGA installation, giving you the flexibility to showcase your graphics card in whichever orientation suits your setup best. Plus, with liquid cooling compatibility, you can keep your rig running cool and quiet even during intense gaming sessions. Now, let's address the elephant in the room: motherboard compatibility. While it's listed as micro ATX, it's important to note that this case can accommodate ATX motherboards as well, making it versatile for a range of builds. In terms of expansion, you have either 7 or 2 slots, depending on whether you opt for the peripheral component interconnect express riser cable. This provides ample room for adding components and upgrading your system down the line. Overall, the Gigabyte Aorus C300 glass ATX mid-tower PC case is a fantastic choice for gamers looking to build a high-performance rig that doesn't compromise on style. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, this case has everything you need to create the ultimate gaming setup. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.